Thought I was going to sneeze, but then I didn't. Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we will be talking about Boxyluxe spoilers specifically, and then I have a few premium spoilers that I'll put in the end of this video, and we'll quickly go over some base box spoilers, and I have some add-ons and unconfirmed spoilers that have been confirmed, but we don't know which box they're going to be in. So if that interests you, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okie dokie, let's jump into this. So I do have to say the September Boxyluxe is looking pretty stinking cool. Before I jump into this video, I did want to speak on my last video I did on Boxycharm, which is the video titled, "Is Boxycharm Scamming Us?" And if you haven't seen that video already, I recommend you go and check it out. I will have that linked down below. And I will be going over these spoilers, but in a separate video, I would like to talk about these items more in depth in a follow-up video for the Boxycharm scamming video. In that video, I will also be inserting some clips and pictures of some bigger influencers out there who have received swatched palettes from Boxycharm. So stay tuned for that video. Anyways, let's just pop in to these spoilers. Let's see what you guys will be receiving for the month of September. So for spoiler number 1, this is the first round of choice items. There is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Eye Cream valued at $45. So for this product, I feel like $45 for the amount of product you're getting in here for an eye cream is pretty crazy. So if you guys didn't know, and if you guys don't watch Skincare by Hiram, why not? You should be. If you're putting skincare on your face, you should be watching Skincare by Hiram. Anyways, he has talked about the fact that the formulation and the ingredients that are in an eye cream compared to a moisturizer are almost identical. So companies are charging you more money for eye cream when you can just bring your moisturizer all the way up and it will do the same exact thing. And you don't have to buy a separate product, and you don't have to pay $45 for a small amount. I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. I know everybody is going through some tough times right now, and you can't just go out there dropping money left and right. So if these tips help anyone to save money, then I'm glad that I've done my job. Okay, spoiler number 2 is the Biro Tomato Serum valued at $150. This is a spoiler choice item for the base box and Boxyluxe. We've talked about this serum. I talked about it in my Is Boxycharm Scamming Us video, and I did a lot of research on this company, and this company checks out. They're a real company. They've been established for a long time now, about 4 years, maybe a little over 4 years, and everything checked out with this product. It's not fake. The only thing I don't like about this product is it's a tomato serum, but tomato is the second to last ingredient in the ingredient list, which means that there's like 1% of tomato in this product. Why are you advertising it as a tomato serum if there's only 1% of tomato in the product? Anyways, what do you guys think about that? Let me know down below. Then we have one of my favorite spoilers ever, is spoiler number 3. It's the Kate Somerville Exfoliant, and it's valued at $85 for 2 fluid ounces. And I absolutely love this exfoliant. It is my all-time favorite. But if you have sensitive skin, spot test it first, because a lot of people have a hard time using this product. But if you're able to, the benefits are amazing. But if it hurts your skin or you get, I wouldn't say red because you're going to get red from it. That's kind of just a side effect of it. But I don't know. It's just freaking amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I use it all the time. I have 2 of them, so I have a backup for when my original runs out, and I love it. It's a great product. So our second choice items, number 1 is the Tan Luxe Tanning Lotion valued at $29. This is going to be a tanning lotion that's going to gradually tan you, and you're not going to get that, bam, I'm tan overnight look. It will gradually tan you, which I think is really cool because that way, if you mess up or something, it's not going to be as noticeable. Okay, and then spoiler number 2 is the Skin Camp Hydra Gel Rosy Hearts Eye Mask, set of 5. It's valued at $22.50 for all 5 of them, or it is $4.50 for one of them, and there's not really much I can say about this. It's little eye boomerangs. That's about it. Spoiler number 3 is the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask valued at $26. And I love this product because it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it comes in a stick form, so you're not having to like lather on a clay mask, and it's just really great and precise. Like say like right here, I just wanted to put it on this troublesome spot. I can just pop it on there really quick. It's like a 5 to 10 minute mask and you just wash it off and go. I thought that was really cool. And then spoiler number 4 for our second choice is the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum valued at $36. And this one I absolutely love because not only is it cruelty-free and vegan, it is also fragrance-free and alcohol-free. That is so wonderful. I love that. And then spoiler number 5 is the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub valued at $16.95. Don't put this on your face. It's for your body. Coffee scrubs are not good for your face. I know that I had done like a DIY coffee scrub a while ago. I have learned and I have grown from that part of my life. Don't put a coffee scrub on your face. Physical exfoliants, like I said, if you haven't seen Skincare by Hiram, definitely check them out. But it makes sense. If you're physically exfoliating, you don't know when you have taken the dead skin off of your face and when you're taking the healthy skin off of your face. So a chemical exfoliant like the Exfoliate by Kate Somerville would be a great option. But for your body, I think it would be fine. Spoiler number 6 is by Osea. It's the Atmosphere Protection Cream valued at $48. And this is going to be a moisturizer cream, but they say you can also use it as a primer before putting your makeup on. So I thought that was pretty cool and versatile. Okay, we're going to get into a product that I'm not quite happy about being in this box. Spoiler number 7 is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask in the color gray. It is valued at $40. I read through the reviews on this website and they were kind of horrific. A little bit. So, one person had stated that she was wearing the eye mask and about at 3 o'clock in the morning, she woke up and her eyes were like completely dry and hurting. And then she woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning and she felt like she had been punched in her eye. That's scary. And then another review of this product said the way that it settles on your face, the weights settle on your eyeballs. This mask is designed to have weights on your brow bone and around your face. She also said the weights would settle on her nose, making it difficult to breathe in the night. So having this product come in a Boxycharm is kind of scary. So just wanting to let you guys know about that. Then we have spoiler number 8, which a lot of people are excited about. It is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighters valued at $36. And you can either get the freestyle highlighters or the foil highlighters. And that's really cool because the foil ones are duos, and you get 2 separate colors for the same price. That is so awesome. Okay, spoiler number 9, which is my second favorite spoiler coming, and I wish more than anything I could get this. It is the Pure Cosmetics Signature Travel Essentials Brush Set, valued at $49. This is cruelty-free brush set. That's very nice as well. And there is like 4 face brushes and like 6 or 7 eyeshadow brushes. It's outstanding. It's beautiful, and who doesn't like brushes? Then we have, last but not least, spoiler number 10, the 111 Skin Rose Gold Face Mask Set of 5, valued at $135. I've had this face mask set before. I don't know if it came in FabFitFun or which box it had came in. It came from a subscription box, I know that much, and then I received it in a giveaway. But I've used this mask. Zach actually used this mask with me, and I didn't notice a difference. It was fun. They're like jelly feeling, and they're rose gold colored, and they're cold, and it's a fun experience. You would definitely have to lay down while using them. They don't like stay up on your face, but it makes you feel luxurious. And it would be nice for a pampering night, that's for sure. I could definitely say that. Okay, moving on to the September unconfirmed which box the spoilers will be in. They are unconfirmed possible spoilers. So, spoiler number 1 for the unconfirmed is Natasha Denona 5-pan eyeshadow, valued at $48. Then there is the spoiler number 2, the Eloise Beauty The Queen palette, valued at $47. Will be a variation product with the Hip Dot palette, so we do know that. Spoiler number 3 is the Persona Cosmetics Lip Gloss shades Honey and Toffee, valued at $16, and they both have glitter in them. I don't know, some people don't like it when their lip gloss has glitter, but rather have shimmer. Then there is number 4, the Persona Cosmetics Double-Ended Power Brush, valued at $24. This is also a vegan and cruelty-free product, and I've always wanted to try a brush like this. It looks so cool. And then we have spoiler number 5, which is the Marc Jacobs Liquid Highliner, valued at $27. This eyeliner, you guys, is like, don't use it unless you have an oil cleanser, because once you put it on, it don't come off for like days. So be very careful with that one. I'm not sure which box it's coming in, but yeah. So I also did want to talk a little bit about the add-ons for September 15th is the date for all access add-ons. Let's just run through a couple of them really quick. Spoiler number 1 for the add-ons is the Kosas, the Big Clean Volumizing Plus Lash Care Mascara, valued at $26. It will be sold for $12 on add-ons. This is the new mascara that just came out, that Boxycharm had set out some boxes with the mystery mascara. This is the one, and they're selling it for $12. Spoiler number 2 is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss. It will be coming in 6 shades. One shade is Raw Raw, and it's valued at $29, and they will be selling it on add-ons for $9. And then we have spoiler number 3, which is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, valued at $65, and they will be selling it for $18. That's intense. Spoiler number 4, the Zoeva Screen Queen Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $28, and they will be selling it for $6. So that's pretty cool. In my last spoiler video for base, I had asked you guys if you rather see premium spoilers or Boxyluxe spoilers, and the majority of you guys said you wanted premium spoilers, but here's the problem. No spoilers for premium have been released. All we have is the choice items, so we can run through the choice items really quickly, and that's all we have for premium right now. So, choice item number 1 is the Ole Henriksen Glow Facial, valued at $50. That is the Fat Glow Facial. And it is an exfoliator, I believe, and it helps to make your face glow. So that's nice. And I've heard a lot about Ole Henriksen, and a lot of you guys do like that company, so that's great. Spoiler number 2 is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Dew Drops, valued at $45. And these are amazing because you can mix them with your foundation, put it under your foundation, use it as a highlighter. It's very versatile. I love it. And spoiler number 3 is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Moisturizing Gel, valued at $59. And a moisturizing gel is going to be very, very great for oily skin instead of a cream. So that is everything I have for you guys, spoiler-wise, for Boxycharm as of right now. Like I said, keep your eye out for future videos coming where we figure out this company and see if it's really worth it. But if you love Boxycharm, I am so glad. I'm so glad that you have found a subscription box that you like. And I'm not in any way trying to make people stop getting Boxycharm. That's not why I'm here. This is not why I'm talking about things. I just want to make sure that you have all of the information that you need to make the conscious decision on whether or not you want to buy the subscription box. So, like always, I love you guys so, so very much. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.